Oh, wow. Woo! All right. Hey, Wiz.
Hi.
All right.
Hi.
Mr. Liam, Speedy, you are on.
We're here at the Gorges State Park in near Southfire, North Carolina. We're heading down the trail to Stairway Falls, Rainbow Falls, and Turtleback Falls. It's about 10:30 on Saturday morning, March the 25th. Fourth.
25th.
That's 20th. But it's about 55 degrees, and it really feels good out here. So we should
Awesome.
have a good day's hiking. It should be good for waterfalls with all the clouds.
Yes. We'll have to make sure we talk to Partly Cloudy on the way home.
Maybe.
But, all right. So who do we have over here, if you would introduce yourself?
Wiz. Name and rank.
Yeah, name and rank.
Jeremy, aka Wiz.
And your rank is 0?
3.
Bottom O totem bowl.
Actually, I'm next to the bottom. I'm 2 from the bottom.
Oh, because we have somebody else on the bottom now?
Yeah, that's
All right. Mr. Stump back there, hiding behind Speedy. He doesn't know any of us. All right. And of course, we have Speedy.
Speedy.
Table lock.
So you are.
Critter.
We have Camden right now. We
Yet
will
to
maybe
be
have
determined.
something yet to be determined. It may not be on the first trip either. It has to happen naturally. But it may happen. Wiz got his on the first
If we
trip.
can't do any better, we can call a rock.
Yeah.
Hobble.
Ghost. Seth. Yet to be determined as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Slam. Slip and slide.
All right. And the best looking one,
And broken.
tripod. It stopped recording for some reason.
That looks rough on the videos, Mark.
Yeah, I know. You notice I'm not on the videos very often, so they're not that bad.
You're doing the editing.
Yeah. Alrighty, well guys, y'all ready to hit some waterfalls?
Found the bear.
We are here at the yeah, I know. Camden, how are you?
Look, this is a little bear coming out of its cave.
What?
Yeah, I see that.
See the little bear?
Golf? No, I don't watch a whole lot of golf.
You don't know who Beef is then.
And we found a monkey.
Yep, Slim. Monkeying around. Hey, it makes me feel so good to know that I said, be careful on the hike. He's hanging upside the tree. But it wasn't next to waterfall, so you're all right, man. Hey, but you usually just jump in sometimes.
Jeremy, that's not a good idea to trust me. I'm glad you trust me.
So nobody saw a selfie stick?
It's a stomach pack. You got a problem with it?
What's that, a man pouch?
Yes, sir.
A mini fanny.
I thought it was called a fanny pack.
Oh, it's a fanny pack, right?
Yeah, it's not a man pouch.
That's a booby pouch.
No, it's a
That's the
manly
other
pack.
thing
A boob pouch.
on the front. The bag is a fanny pack.
Does it really say fanny pack?
Yeah, it is a fanny pack. It's a mani fanny.
Well, I'm glad you brought your fanny pack.
I bring it every time.
What do you got in that thing?
My snacks.
Snacks, and that little
Catch my
thing.
sugar drops.
He's like
Okay,
My lunch is in there.
I got you. Did you bring some for everybody?
I thought you were supposed to wear it to the side.
We're here at Stairway Falls. There's William, TR. Video! She's out there with me.
Take a picture of that.
I got some video right now going. We are here down at Stairway Falls. Hey Tim! Hey Tim! Hey Tim! Hey Tim! Tim! I think Danny might need some help getting out.
Pretty good, ain't too far to Rainbow.
After we get back up to the fort,
Yeah, it ain't too far. We're here at Stairway. Mr. Johnny stop. Right beside TR. Slip and slide. Hey, no slip and sliding today.
Man, you know what? Hey, look, slip and slide junior.
Oh, that'd be a curse.
These plain jeans of mine.
You want me to zoom in, Andy, or?
Somehow, Jason and Clarence got up there.
I don't think. I think they have to come up this way, like get out of the rock. Because they're on top of it.
They only get up there that way, right?
I think so.
All right. How'd you get up there, Clarence?
Okay, so basically I use this little rock right here.
Uh-huh.
This leverage. Just kind of, and then kind of push your weight onto the rock and
You're gonna make Spider Monkey jealous.
reach back there. It's a really tight fit.
Yeah.
You can manage to make it, and then it's pretty open up here.
Wow.
Once you get up in here, and then there's an exit through here, and then you can exit back through there.
Wow. Y'all making Spider Monkey jealous. Spider Monkey.
I'm not Spider Monkey.
Yeah, but Spider Monkey, he's over our house yesterday. All right.
And I said, let's do a C-section and get that thing out of here. Well, guys, we are up here at the top of that crazy, crazy climb. And Mr. Speedy over here has come up with a nomination for a hiking nickname for Miss Camden. His hiking nickname that he has nominated is
Plunge.
Plunge.
That's an offshoot. Mark. That's an offshoot of slip and slide.
Yep. Slip and slide and plunge.
First you gotta slip and slide and plunge.
Now, if this is what we decide, I'm gonna take a picture of slip and slide and plunge possibility.
He's got my vote. I agree.
With plunge, you know.
You let do something else crazy, we'll not use that.
That's what did that. Yeah.
Hey, you know, Speedy comes.
Too crazy, won't be able to
Truth
tell
ain't
the
over
fall.
yet.
Hey, Speedy.
Where we going ain't no good place for that.
Yeah, we gotta be really careful up here. But Speedy comes up with some pretty good hiking nicknames. Since you guys didn't think that he actually named Partly Cloudy. Uh-oh, what's going on?
Hey guys, I got a bar here. You need
This is
something
a
big.
mean tree. I don't see no termites. That's what we're looking for.
Y'all bark up.
Y'all hungry?
I figured it's getting termites.
Well, we've seen several of them.
I think that's what they're trying to eat.
All right, guys, we're almost at Rainbow Falls. We're close. I told everybody a story. It ain't 4 miles, it's 6 miles.
That's why I remember.
All right, let's get up out of here so we can go. And there's Hobble.
Get that picture of that.
You got that one last.
Wait a minute, I forgot to push record. What did she do? Nah, I got it.
Gotta do it again.
Good job, boy.
All right, Camden.
Right here, Camden. Camden. Right here. There you go. The pop is down.
doing it.
How about the girl?
Right there, Christine's here right there. Hold hands. Here, hold hands.
We don't believe you're going to get up there.
You need help?
Survival of the fittest.
Don't fall backwards now.
You need help, Camden?
Here.
You gonna get that here? Wait a minute. No. Hold on.
Good job. All right, Mr. Clarence.
What's up?
Showboat.
That's the way
You did good, man.
Boy. Let's go, baby.
She's doing push-ups.
No, God.
Are you surviving? Guys, don't get mad at me because it's 6 miles. It is.
You know, I really don't think I started sweating until in terms of the pushing up.
That's one of those bad things when you think you know what you're talking about.
All right, we are here at High Falls. I mean, Rainbow Falls called it High Falls because it's so by high. Hey, where's my boys? Y'all don't get too close.
We're down here at the bottom of Rainbow Falls. Hey Jay. Hey Jay. I wanted to do a little video. He's gonna set up. He come down here. Hey, he come down here to try to set up where I am. He's gonna set up right in front of me. I don't know. He come down here to get down here now. He's gonna set up right in front of me. I don't know.
So the one that was on the dog?
Yeah. I just think it's kind of rude if you ask me. We're down here at the bottom of Rainbow Falls. Hey Jay? Hey Jay? You know, I cannot believe that he come down here, try to come down here, and then he sets up right in front of me.
Here we are at the top of Rainbow Falls. There's Speedy. Top of Rainbow. On up there. Top of Rainbow Falls. There's Mr. TR. Mr. TR. I'm good. I'm good. I just, that's awesome, man. That's what's coming up here, ain't it?
Yeah. Feeling it coming around that rock right there and all of it coming around the end right there.
Yeah. We got to go to the very bottom.
Yeah.
And the very top.
We're about to take the dive, huh? Okay. And there's Mr. TR and Speedy up there.
We're here at Turtleback Falls. I bet we've done 7.5 miles today. What's it saying you've done?
My Fitbit says I've done like 10,000 steps, maybe a little more, and typically 2,100 steps is a mile, so that's a little over 5 miles already, and we just got to the end. Now we got to go all the way back.
I'm gonna take my medication. Comes from my knee, because I've got a Turtle back, we gotta head back now. Nice hike. Alright, I'm recording. I like to record this thing too. I record with my phone, my camcorder.
I recorded with my camera, phone, the battery went dead.
Yeah, I got that little charger thing.
No, I've got everything I need. I got it set off right now. I'm starting to go back to the car.
We're at Turtleback Falls. I bet we've done 7.5 miles today. What's the thing you've done?
My Fitbit says I've done like 10,000 steps, or maybe a little more, and typically 2,100 steps is a mile. So that's a little over 5 miles already, and we just got to the end. Now we got to go all the way back.
I'm gonna take my medication. It's gonna come my knee. So I've got a back. We gotta head back now. Nice hike. I feel like dogs though. What? I feel like dogs. Let me turn this.
Here at Turtleback, we're going to start heading back. There's the TR's up there. You see? What just in the air in the summer. And moving across.